Welcome to chapter in our series on common English mistakes. In this lesson, we're focusing on a frequent error, adding unnecessary prepositions. This can make your sentences awkward and grammatically incorrect. Let's learn how to avoid it. Many learners mistakenly add prepositions where none are needed. This usually happens with verbs that are already complete without them. Let's explore these in detail. The verb enter does not need the preposition into. Saying entered into is redundant and incorrect in most cases. Simply say, he entered the room. Discuss means to talk about something, so you don't need to add about after it. Just use the object directly. Consider is another verb that doesn't take a preposition. Saying consider of is grammatically incorrect. Just say consider doing something. When you use orders to request food or items, don't add for. It's not required and makes the sentence clumsy. Emphasize is followed directly by the object. Don't use on with it, that's a common mistake. Just like blemphasize, the verb stress also does not take on. Say stress something, not stress on something. Let's summarize. These verbs do not require prepositions. Omitting the extra words keeps your sentence clear and grammatically correct. Thanks for studying with this channel. In the next chapter, I'll tackle another tricky area, the position of adverbs. Until then, keep practicing and keep improving. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.